hello there. Look at how Christmassy I am with my green and my red. This is episode 2 of monochromatic holiday looks. I did a little poll on my Instagram. I actually wanted to do blue, but you guys voted green, so here we are. Just wanted to show you guys my t-shirt because this is my kind of holiday t-shirt. It's from my friend Natalie's company, Top Knot Goods. You can use likely10 for a discount if you need to get some cool t-shirt gifts for Christmas. This look was really fun. I hope you guys recreate it. If you do, tag me at It's Likely Makeup so I can see and tell you that you're lovely. And if you hate green, I guess just keep watching for my amazing personality. As you can see, I already have my face on and my brows on because it's essentially exactly the same as the last tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then just watch the last one. I didn't want to get repetitive. We're gonna jump right into the eye look. I left some powder under my eyes because it's easier to dust away fallout. I'm gonna use the Fenty eye primer. So just applying a little bit on the lid and then blending it all over with a brush. My eyes are a little bit stained pink from the pink look, but that's okay because we're going to completely cover it. For today's eye look, I'm going to use 2 palettes from BH Cosmetics, the Desert Oasis palette, and also the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is the Desert Oasis palette, and first I'm just going to take the shade Sand, and I'm going to put it all over the lid with a fluffy brush as a base. Now we're gonna go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it's full of greens. First, with a small brush, I'm gonna go into the darkest green. I'm gonna go in slightly above the crease, kind of pressing it in and mapping out the shape of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do kind of a blown out cat eye shape. Just picking up a bit more product and really packing it into the crease. Now with a fluffier brush, I'm gonna grab this bright green and I'm gonna press it on top and above where that green ends, and then blending those two together. Using the same brush, I'm gonna grab this kind of medium green and I'm gonna pack it on top to make it brighter. I wanna make the crease darker, so I'm gonna pop into the Melt Smoke Sessions palette and I'm gonna grab Space Queen on that really little brush. I'm just gonna pack it into the crease. And then using that fluffy brush, just blend the edges into the brighter green. And then with a little bit more product, just deepening that a little bit more. And then blend again. Now I'm gonna go in and cut the crease with the ColourPop Fair 00 No Filter Concealer. A little baby brush, just looking straight ahead in the mirror. And putting it just slightly above my natural crease. And going just over halfway. I'm not gonna take it all the way across my lid. Now I'm gonna grab some of this green shade here and I'm gonna press it in the center of that cut crease. And then the slightly lighter shade of green. And then back into Space Queen and blend that over into the lighter greens. Now for a little bit of glitter, I'm gonna use the Miss MAC Glitter Envy in Jade, and I want it to be really precise. So I'm actually gonna use my lash glue, which has this tiny little brush. I'm gonna add a little line of glitter, outline the cut crease, and then just using a little brush to press in some glitter. And then just brushing away the excess glitter. I'm going to use some of the shade Bliss to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. This is again from the Desert Oasis palette. It's kind of a yellow shimmer. Perfect for this look. Now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. Going back into this green here, I'm going to press it in under my eyes and then back into Space Queen. I'm bringing that up and attaching it to the upper eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in and line my eyes and add a wing. This is the Ciate London Chisel liner. Adding a wing that kind of matches the shape of the eyeshadow. This eyeliner is really nice. This is actually the first time I've used this. I love the shape of the tip and it's super, super black. And I'm gonna press some of the Space Queen shade right over top of the liner. kind of smoke it out a little bit. I put on lashes while you guys weren't looking, and I cannot tell you what they are yet. I can tell you it's not my Fearless collab. A lot of you guessed lashes, but it's not that. I'm gonna add some white to my waterline. This is the Milk Jumbo Pencil from NYX. It's my favorite. And I'm gonna add some of my Warrior Mascara from Flower Beauty. To highlight, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight. I'm gonna use the shade Glow. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra highlight to the inner corner. And my favorite part, nose. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Isn't It Peachy blush palette from Obsession. And I'm gonna use Hint, the real orange one. Bringing it all the way across my nose. Now I'm gonna add some freckles with my bronzer and a little tiny brush. And now I'm gonna set my makeup with the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay, cherry scented. And now lips. I'm gonna use Taupe by Milk Cosmetics, which is a super deep green. Blotting it out with my finger, make it a little softer and more comfortable. The aftermath of a green makeup look. I actually really like this lip, I wasn't sure. Monochromatic green look, complete. I guess I could have done green blush, maybe? Maybe next time. Let me know what color you'd like to see next in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.